Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, May 26, 2023 on our channel. ICS Cool Energy expands its iChiller portfolio. The new version 1.22 of Frascold Selection Software, FSS3, is available. Climatizacion and Refrigeration announces organizing committee. Kaltra delivered its first Ultracompact-V II chillers for manufacturer of sapphire products. Hoshizaki America Incorporated announces new worry-free extended factory warranties. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. ICS Cool Energy expands its iChiller portfolio. ICS Cool Energy announced today it is expanding the iChiller portfolio of chillers with new planet-friendly configurations with wide capacities and low global warming potential, GWP, refrigerants. The new air-cooled models in the iChiller range suitable for all types of process applications including food and amp, beverage, plastics, chemical and amp, pharmaceutical, metalworks and other demanding industries are iChiller Process E, iChiller Process Max E, iChiller Process Max N and iChiller Compact N. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. The new version 1.22 of Frascold Selection Software, FSS3, is available. The new features of the FSS3 Frascold software. Reciprocating compressors. Added all the new Q models, 36 and 39 cubic meters/H at 50 Hz, of standard and ATEX reciprocating compressors series, suitable for commercial, industrial and heat pumps applications. Added 2 new models with R290 and R1270, 56 and 71 cubic meters/H at 50 Hz, for ATEX reciprocating series. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Climatizacion and AMP, Refrigeration announces organizing committee. Climatizacion and AMP, Refrigeration, an international air conditioning and refrigeration trade fair held in Spain, has submitted its 2023 plan for the next edition of the fair. It will be held 14 November 17, 2023. Organized by IFEM Madrid, the fair focuses on 3 objectives: boosting the representativeness of its offer, encouraging the participation of qualified professionals in distribution channels, and prescription and driving its internationalization. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Kaltra delivered its first Ultracompact-V II chillers for manufacturer of sapphire products. In May 2023, Kaltra delivered its first Ultracompact-V II chillers, recently upgraded for higher operating efficiency with new control software, twin slab condenser coils, and high-efficiency packages, optional. These improvements aimed at increasing both cooling capacity and seasonal energy efficiency by 10% and 15%, respectively, compared to the previous generation of Ultracompact-V chillers. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Hoshizaki America Incorporated announces new worry-free extended factory warranties. Hoshizaki America Incorporated announces new worry-free extended factory warranties across the Steel Heart refrigeration product family. All products manufactured after January 1, 2023 qualify. Compressors now have a 7-year warranty, parts have a 6-year warranty, and labor is covered under a 5-year warranty. Several products will highlight the new benefits at Hoshizaki's booth at the 2023 National Restaurant Association, NRA, show in Chicago. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.